you how to record. Okay? Why record is important? Why do you think it's important?
Know the opponent's strategy.
Yes, that's correct. And aside from that, recording your move will help you to analyze and review your game. You will identify how you win or how you lose the game, and from it you will learn a lot. Okay, that's how recording is important. So the first thing that you have to do is to look for the board. You need to put your white pieces on number 1 and the black pieces on number 8. You should not put the white pieces here on number 8. The first thing that you have to do is to look for the number 1. That's the right square for the white. Okay? Alright, always remember that. That's the basic.
Some chessboards, they don't have numbers, right?
Yes.
So how do you know which one's number 1 when there's no numbers?
Example, so let's pretend that there's no number here
Yes.
and there's no letter, right?
Yes.
So you can identify where to put the example. Let's pretend there's no number here.
Okay.
But if you're going to,
Can you tell or no? You understand? Okay, you can explain.
okay, I will explain it, sir.
Okay.
So if there's no number here,
Yeah.
the white king is always in the green square, right?
The dark square.
The dark square, right? The
Okay.
dark square. So if I assemble the pieces here,
Yeah.
like here, like this, sir.
Yeah.
If I assemble it like that, this is the perfect complete chess assemble here.
It'll be
However,
automatic.
automatically the number 1 will be put here.
Okay. Okay.
You got it, sir?
Yes. Whenever you put the king in the, you start with the king in
yeah,
the dark.
You start it in the
Okay.
king.
And then everything will be
And
automatic.
everything will follow.
So you don't
So
look.
number
You
one,
don't.
two,
You don't
three.
look which one's dark or light.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Just
I
follow
understand.
the perfect square for the king.
I understand.
Okay. All right. That's a good question, sir.
Yeah. Because a lot of chessboards don't have numbers.
Yes, that's it. You got it.
I think our
Okay.
chessboard doesn't have.
If you have a chessboard, sir, you can
Yeah.
start putting your king on the dark square,
Dark,
and then you
okay.
put the number 1 here. And then A from the what side is this? Left side. That's the letter A.
Yep. Yes.
We're going to right side. That's it. Okay. And then we're going to start the lesson.
Paglalapit naman dito,
What piece is this?
ang napakagandang tira.
A rook. How about this?
Knight.
A knight. How about this?
Dito yung pagpilitin mo, ano yan, discovered check?
Bishop.
A bishop. Very good. How about this?
Queen.
A queen. And then this one?
King.
King. Very good. So now, since you know all the pieces, I'm going to teach you how to record the rook. Example, this is a free way for a rook, right? So this one should be moved like for example, move this to A5. Okay, so you should write it number 1. What pieces is this? What piece is this?
A5.
Yeah, this is A5 square, right? But what piece is this? Rook. So rook represents for letter R. R,
Naisip mo na.
and then
Dami mong tinira.
letter first A,
Naisip mo rin. At least naisip mo na.
and then 5.
Napakaganda pala yung tinira.
That's how you write it. Okay. So from here, when I saw this RA5, it represents rook
tira bago mo naisip.
A5. You get it?
Yeah.
Okay. And then let's try. Let's try Bishop F4. You try to move it. Bishop F4. And then find F4. Okay, and then you write it. Bishop F4. Alright. So that is when you see this move, when you see this, it represents B, your bishop, and then F, the square, and then this one. If you join it, it's this is the square for F5, right? And then let's try how about this? What is this?
Queen.
Can you write this?
Mali. Tingnan na. Ay,
Very good. You got it. Queen B3. However, keep in mind that if you are writing a piece, it should be capital letter. Okay? It should be capital letter. And then the letters on this board should be small letter. Alright?
It's always small letters.
Yes, always a small letter. Only the
The
pieces are the big letter. Okay? Always remember that. How about this? How about this? How about this one?
Pero okay pa rin. Natalo ka lang sa gitna. Middle gate. No? Ganda na ako. Dito ka lang nakasira.
King D2. Very good.
Good job.
And now I'm going to trick you. Okay? How about this one? You said it's knight, right? How?
Yung sa E7. E7.
Try to write that
E7.
one.
E7. Ito sa 17 mo. Okay?
Alright.
Okay?
Uh-huh. You get confused, right?
Yes,
Because
like
you
king.
you got 2K. The one is the king and the one is the other knight. So what's the next letter for knight?
O.
Knight. Can you spell knight?
N.
And very good. So we will use the letter N for knight, okay? All right. Remember that, okay? Don't get confused about that, okay? So we use the N for knight because we already have the K for the king. All right? Capital letter N. It's capital letter N. And then the square. What square is this?
B.
B and then B3. Knight and B3. You got it. Alright? Since you know how to write that, all the pieces, now I'm going to teach you how to move the pawn and how to write it. Alright? What letter is this? Pawn, yeah. But we are not going to write P for pawn. Because if you write this one, example, E4. Can you write it E4? E4. Yeah, E4. It means that E4 is this square. So this square belongs to this pawn. So when you saw E4, move the pawn here. Like example, C3. C3. 3. Where's the C3? Very good. Right? If you put some letter here, NC3. Put N here, N, capital N. That represents the knight. So this is the square for NC3. However, since we move the C3 only, it represents the pawn. Okay? C3. These pawns represent the letter here. Okay? Alright? Are you getting it? Okay. How about if you, example, if you can capture this, what are you going to write?
D5.
What? D5. Very good. D5. However, you put where the pawn comes from. So it comes from the letter E. E. Write E.
Capital.
It's small letter E. And then X is representing the capture.
Oh, okay.
X. So EX D5. D5. Yeah. That's how you write it. Okay?
Small
Another
X or
one.
big X?
It's small.
Small X. Okay.
How about this one? Number 9. Put it in number 9. How about this one? Try to capture this. What letter is that? How are you going to write it?
E.
D. Sige. Come on. You can do it. DX.
C6.
You got it.
Good job.
Good job.
Good.
D. It's letter D. Come on. Don't be shy. DX.
I think the first time is confusing,
Yeah.
but then maybe after
Yeah.
some practice it'll be easy.
You will get it, sir.
Yeah.
I know you will get it. And then that's it. That's basically how it
So
operates.
you do the same thing for capturing everything,
Yes, sir.
like any piece X.
Like for example, I will capture. I'm gonna use my knight to capture this pawn. Okay. How are we gonna write it?
You write that.
DX C6.
What? Can you make it louder?
Is that B?
B.
But you have to put N, right?
If you,
N.
Okay. If you B XC6, this represents the pawn, right? So this is B Texas D6. But if you're going to capture it using a knight, N, okay, N, X, very good.
Okay, you got it.
You got it. N, X, C6. Very good. Try to write it.
But you need to write the origin of the N or no?
No.
Not necessary.
It is necessary, sir, if we got two knights
Yeah.
that can capture here. Capture the
Then
pawn.
it's necessary the
Then it's
origin.
necessary to write where it comes from.
Okay.
Like for example, in this case, we got two knights that can capture the pawn.
Yes.
So you can write NB, and the knight comes from the B.
NB, yeah.
NB, C6.
And you don't need to put 8.
Yeah, you don't need to put it.
NB. Okay.
NB, NB, X, C6, or NE, X, C6.
Okay.
That's how you write it. And then, since you know how to write it, I'm going to level it up. So these are from this. Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen? Right. Let's move to the next page. And this is how you write it in the tournament. Okay. If you put number 1 here, there is always letter white at the above of it, and then B. Okay. And imagine that there's a separation from them. Okay. I'm sorry if it's not straight line, but I know why there's a white here and there's a black here. White, you record all the white move here, record all the black move here. Okay. We will start to play and you record. Okay.
How do you decide who's white and black? Because always people want to be white, right? Is it?
In the tournament, there's a program, sir. We're
Okay.
using a computer program.
Random?
Yeah, it's what do you call this? They called it a rating.
Rating.
That's how you identify the strength of the player.
Okay, yeah.
When you got 2600,
Yeah.
you got grandmaster level.
Yeah.
And they base it from there.
Mm.
So usually the top seed, who is the highest rated, starts from black.
Okay. Because
then-
they have some advantage.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the reason. That's why.
That's
But
how
if it's casual game, is it just like
That's your choice. We can just pick it.
paper, rock, scissors, like
Paper-
that?
yeah, yes.
Because they always fighting who wants to be white. And white always goes first.
White always goes the first move.
Could you explain the rankings? Like the lowest ranking is what?
Lowest ranking from the chess pieces?
Yeah. Can you explain?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
From the chess pieces, we got the lowest ranking here is the pawn.
Pawns.
Because pawn means 1 point. If we convert it from the point, pawn means 1 point. A rook is a 5 points.
You can write that down.
You can write it down.
Just put P.
P,
P is how many points? 1.
1.
And then R.
P is equal to 1.
1 point.
1 point.
Yeah.
Alright.
And then R is
R is a 5.
And then after that?
R is 5. Knight or
N.
N is 3.
N is 3. Value is 3.
Bishop is always also 3.
3 also. B
Is
3. Okay.
And then we got the highest value or highest ranking pieces is the queen. It's 9 points.
9.
And then the king, it has no value at all.
No value.
No, but this is the one.
priceless.
Yes, this is the most. This is.
Infinity.
I mean, there's no value. There's no.
Yeah.
What do you call this?
Numerical.
Yeah, there's numerical value for the king. However, this is the most important piece.
Yeah.
We need to protect the king at all times.
So, do these numbers mean something like when you're in a battle, like you add the numbers up or something? Can you explain that?
Very much, sir. So
This is more advanced, right?
when you're playing the game, you can count how many pieces that you still have on
Okay.
the board,
Yeah.
and from there you will identify who has the advantage.
By
Example.
adding the numbers or just the number of pieces?
Like for example, sir. Like for example, like that. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you got 5 points.
5 points.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 points.
I'm advantage. I have the advantage, right? Because I got 8 points
Yes.
and you got 5 points for the
Yes,
pawn.
yes.
And for the pieces, you got 2 rooks, you got a knight and a bishop, so
Yeah.
it's gonna 10, and then 3, 6, 10 plus 6 is 16. However,
16.
5 is 10, 6, and then I got an extra 9 points. So I have the advantage.
Yeah. Okay.
And then, let's go back from here.
I have one more question.
Yes, sir.
The ranking of the chess player. That's also what I was asking.
That's what I'm asking.
You said master, grandmaster. Can you explain like someone like beginner? What level do they start at? Like 1,000 or how does it work?
when you are a beginner, it should start from like around 1400, something like
1400?
that. Yes.
Okay.
However, in our level, my wife and I, we are on a 2000 level. So it's like a varsity player.
Oh, okay. So what are
You're-
the levels? Like beginner, then intermediate, then advanced, then varsity? Like what is the rank level?
Can you say it one more time?
What are the levels? Like first is beginner, then intermediate, then advanced, then is varsity?
Uh-huh.
What are the levels? What are they called? What's the name of the levels?
The levels.
Like master, grandmaster, national master. Like I don't know what the levels, the names are.
But actually, there's no specific what they call that. There's no specific word for them. However, we can categorize
By numbers.
by how they play.
Okay.
We can understand. We can identify on what level are they right now.
Oh, okay.
It depends on how they play.
So you said, for example, your father-in-law, he's national master.
No, he's
No?
not national master. However, his strength could be around 1900 up to 2000.
And you are 2000.
Yes,
You're
yes.
better than your father-in-law.
Before, however, right now, sir,
You don't practice as much.
I don't practice that much. However, I still know some tricks.
Okay. And like a grandmaster, like the would be what level roughly?
Around 2600, sir.
So the highest is like
Right now, our world number one is Magnus Carlsen. So
Yeah,
he's
the-
on the 2800 level.
but you got defeated by the Indian guy, right?
Yeah, of course.
I was watching it, it's amazing. He lost.
Indian is very tough to play right now.
Okay, thank
So
you. Yeah. Okay.
we are going to
Yeah, go ahead.
continue this one.
Yes,
sir?
yes. Thanks for
Okay?
explaining. Okay, go ahead.
So, as I told you a while ago, there are two types, a white and a black on separate. And then always write the number, your move here, your white, okay, and this one's for black. Let's try to move this. How do you record that one? D4, very good. And then this is my move. How are you going to write that? Very good. Okay. And then next move.
By the way, when you're playing, do you have your strategy already, or do you change it based on the player, or both?
That's a good question, sir. But back in college, when we were going to play in tournament,
Yes.
we have a preparation.
Okay.
So we have to review and prepare for a game.
Okay. Good.
However, when we join in competition, like in this coming
Yeah. Next week.
Saturday, next week.
He's gonna join.
if I see,
Yeah,
if I see my opponent and sometimes you can underestimate your opponent, or
Yeah.
sometimes I know that this opponent is very tough, so
Yeah.
sometimes you're going to play
Okay.
solid position. Sometimes you can be aggressive, you can attack
Okay,
them.
okay.
But if you're talking about professional level tournament, and I know that this opponent is very tough, I'm going to prepare for you. I'm going to analyze all of your game and try to find your weakness.
Oh, okay. Okay. So you have some kind of strategy, but also you adapt based on the opponent.
You
If
can.
you know them, then you can study in advance.
Yes.
But usually you don't, like the more like next week, you don't know, right? You just show up and then you can analyze on the spot.
When it comes to professional levels, sir, when I type your name on the internet, and all of your games will appear there. And from there, you can study it in advance. However, of course, when you're just starting to play chess,
Yeah.
your name will not appear there. So
No.
you don't have games to be uploaded on the internet. So You can just
You upload them on chess.com or the chess app?
yeah, I do play. I do have an account on this.
Chess, yeah, they have also, but they're not so. You don't play regularly, right? The chess app. Do you use that chess app? No, you used to.
You used to use it. But if you visit the site, you can search for my name. We can play.
Oh, yeah, you can play chess.
Okay, are you getting it? So
Yeah.
where are we right now? On the second move. And how about this one?